no game, that's not right. Mr. Stoplight, no say you no stop it and no stop black traffic and not act like Mr. Stoplight.
Well, he bataka me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase and another one we go bring on another exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Now if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kick in the like button. Now let's get right into the reasoning. Now nation, me don't ever vex Foota vex. Say Bounty got drop album and he was not invited to work on the project. Well, Bounty has made a response. Bounty say him darkest glasses for some selector and some local artist boy. Now this all started when Foota Hype chose to make a post that he claims was a birthday tribute, but fans have questioned the selector's motives. Now according to one major tabloid, most social media users believe that Foota Hype could have shared his feelings with the iconic dancehall DJ in a more personal message, seeing that it was his birthday after all. To which Foota Hype also said he has no regrets. He was quoted as saying, "If you don't read what I say clearly, there is no disrespect. As a matter of fact, he thinks that it was the best birthday gift that Bounty could have get because the truth is always the best. And it is the best way for Bounty to return to the things that made him great." Now Foota Hype also said Bounty Killer's musical ties are not the only thing to have suffered as a result of his ego. He said that the music from Bounty has also suffered. Foota, you're not only bad mind, but you are wrong. Bounty Killer is currently a part of the project that is topping the reggae charts. Bounty Killer's recent feature with Khalid was a hit. I'm always hear people say, yeah, remember say Khalid is a superstar in his own right. But if the music not good, nobody feel like say Khalid being Khalid can make people listen to music that is not good. The music have to speak for itself. Bounty not drop no catch. As a matter of fact, I make on the ear another snippet.
Brother, I got this, brother. How assist with the luggage? You know, see me a moment, brother. How visa you look? No man, I Corona time, brother. You might, brother. Go on, man. I could go in.
No, not today. We can't do this today, man.
Not today?
No, man. I don't feel so too well, you know. No, man. My belly cannot pay me from morning.
Come on.
That's the truth. That's weird, man. He who waits on the Lord shall receive a good thing.
That's why you know.
Don't take no blame if me not play no game, that's not right. Mr. Stoplight, no.
When we see nothing not change, the voice is still there. The cadence is still there. They might talk like Bounty Killer lose it. Bounty has not lost it. Bounty refined the craft. Bounty still give it the same baritone cadence without sounding like he might try too hard. That is the musical growth. We don't see it every day with every artist, so I guess that's why it's strange to some people. But when I hear Bounty and recent releases, that's what I see. It showcases the growth as an artist while still giving people your signature style. Because Bounty had the music from an era where you have your own signature style. Nowadays, them artists say we are found to try to sound like other artists. We don't need to try to replicate them success. They might try to be them, try to live in them shadow. Or them just lack the creativity needed to make them own it. And this is undeniable. Bounty has had an illustrious career. Some of them will never go to the places that Bounty has been. Some of them will never see the faces that Bounty has seen. Work with some of the great and iconic musicians that Bounty Killer has worked with. And keep in mind, you will never see another artist like Bounty Killer again. Foota Hype post definitely showcase there's bitterness there. Him vex with Bounty. Him point out say, and not just the musical ties. I himself matter about. I don't talk about no relationship. I know kind of style going with her if that Foota did actually say. But the musical ties are all mega refer to it. he must say that's not the only thing that has suffered. The music has suffered as well. We have proven so that is wrong. Because all the songs that Bounty have been featured on, whether a theme song or in feature upon somebody else's track, they have all been hit singles. So where is the drop catch in that? I don't know. Him say the ties, the links, the people them used to associate with and move on, as they know, Bounty now link with Sharon Burke them again. As people that do them bookings. As artists, we see we're going with Ira, we see we're going with Move them. Only part of people. Then they want to see it happen with Vybz Kartel. What take place, take place. But when the link real, the thing bigger than that. Obviously, Foota them and Move them now have the same mindset. Because even if you want to talk to Bounty about a situation like this, they not message him, get in contact with somebody who have him number. We are all in the entertainment industry, we can get anybody number we want. This more sound like Bounty used Foota used opportunity for blast Bounty about things that him feel personally. If you're gonna send a birthday tribute, talk about all the iconic things that Bounty has done in a music and entertainment. And those things are numerous. We can talk for days about the thing them Bounty do for other entertainers. And as a result, what him do for the entertainment industry overall. Remember, Bounty played an instrumental role in a Vybz Kartel establishment as the king. If I hear people say all they need is just the opportunity, Bounty helped to facilitate that. And him do it for numerous other artists. If you want to talk about something, talk about that. Talk about the fact say King of Kingston is on its way. But speaking of King of Kingston, as I'm going to say at the start of the video, I feel like that's one of the root of the problem too. You see, because most social media personalities who are talk about the album, everybody has said yes, it's a good look. We hear about all of the international producers who have signed on for the project. The world are talk about the Vybz Kartel feature. No, he was not a part of the project. And ain't nobody talk about the Move being part of the project. Maybe him feel a way about that. Him and Move not good neither, but. And some have said, this is just Foota Hype being Foota Hype. Fans across the entire globe have voiced their opinion. Most of them disappointed in Foota. And lots of these people who have said that them disappointed in the statements made by Foota Hype are also people who have said in the same comment that them are people who watch him live. So this is not a case where are people who don't like Foota Hype. Who, you can say, oh, them never rate Foota or them not rate. These are neutral people. People who not see Foota Hype in that light. If him go live, them still watch it. And the people who have boycott him and him endeavors. These are just fans of Jamaican music culture and of the dancehall industry. And they must say them I like it. Personally, I don't like the statement. It sounds like a backhanded compliment. It's just something we know Foota Hype for. Say something that is very disrespectful, but it's all in one with what him would consider as the truth and just reasoning. The fans are not taking this one as such, seeing that him choose to make the post on general strong. You know what I mean? And him choose to make it a public post. You never have to do that. But they must say freedom of speech. Bounty know this. That's why Bounty do even, you know what I mean? No bag of big outbursts. Nothing. Darkest glasses. We not look on them. We not see them. We are not even aware that they're in the venue. And Bounty never pay them the mind. Because as to what transpired, we see them a try to dismantle Bounty legacy with words. That can't happen. Bounty them an icon of the business. So if you look at statements here and there about ego and about this, that now gonna do nothing to Bounty legacy. And truth be told, if Bounty never have the personality and the persona we have in the music industry, then it would be a different question. What if artists did start off their musical career during the time when Bounty started off his musical career? Were them there? What is their impact on the music culturally? Not as significant as Bounty Killer's accomplishments and his contributions to the musical industry. So all them talk about ego, you have to rough. Can't be no soft soap. You have rough like Scotch Bright. The thing work right in the music industry. Okay, you have all for different people in the industry for all for different reasons. But I said the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. But I said, I don't know if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like, bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. You want the comment section open 24/7. I don't want to feel both Foota Hype statements. You know what I mean? And the way how Bounty handled it. We're not feeling about a chattings with some people. We know them are forward with. Them now forward with nothing but more chattings. Bounty focus on him album. Focus on him career. Up move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. My sentiments for you and girls. I want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.